Hello friends, myself Professor B.D. Faulkner, Associate Professor, Botany Department, KTHM College, Nasik. Today's topic is from Cell Biology, paper now second, chromosomes. Within chromosome, now today's topic is now the giant chromosomes. Giant chromosome in some insect such as Drosophila, mosquitoes, Chironomus, etc., the nuclei in the salivary glands are very large in size. Such giant nuclei contain giant chromosomes. Such chromosomes reach high degree of enlargement due to many extra replications, and each replicate of the now same chromosome remain linked together and lined up in parallel fashion. This process of parallel duplication is called endomitosis or polygyny, and the chromosomes are called as polytene chromosomes or giant chromosomes. Giant chromosomes are two types. Now the polytene chromosomes, it is present in salivary, it is also commonly known as salivary gland chromosomes, and another is now Lamb-Brush chromosomes. Polytene chromosome or salivary gland chromosome. These giant chromosomes were first observed by Balbiani in 1881 in the salivary glands cells of the larvae of Diptera. The name polytene chromosome was suggested for them due to the presence of large number of chromonymata. Beside the salivary glands, these chromosomes are also found in foreguts, midgut, trachea, Malpighian tubules, etc. In Drosophila, the salivary gland chromosome is about now 100 times long as the chromosome of now somatic cell. The increase in size is due to endomitosis, during which several duplication of the chromosome. When a polytene chromosome is stained, a series of dark bands and alternating with light bands, it is known as interband, are seen along the length. The chromosome look like a striated muscle fiber. The bands are composed of now chromonymata. Now see within this diagram polytene chromosome. Now at the center, now the pup ball portion, then now unpuffed now region, then the bands. Now see on this entire chromonema, now light and dark bands are present. Polytene chromosome of Drosophila enlarged, and it generally shows light bands and dark bands. So this is regarding polytene chromosome. Then within this diagram, polyethylene chromosome, mitotic now, these chromosome at the center, now the chromocenter, and it give rise to number of now these arm like structures. Each arm like structure, it is generally provided with light and dark band, light band and dark band, etc. Another, lamb brush chromosome. Lamb brush chromosomes are so called because they appear like brushes once used for cleaning the glass of chimneys of kerosene lamp. The first description of lamb brush chromosome was made by J. Ruckert in 1892 on oocytes of now the shark. Lamb brush chromosomes are found in vertebrates such as now fishes, amphibians, reptiles, and the birds during diploid stage of first meiosis, now the stage. These chromosomes consist of main axis and many fine lateral projections, or it is also commonly known as now the loops, which give them the appearance of now the test tube brush or now the lamp brush of now the chimneys of kerosene. Actually, the main axis consists of 4 chromatids or 2 bivalent chromosomes and chromonymata. Now see within this diagram, lamb brush chromosome. Now at low magnification, now these chromosome, it has chromosome axis, and along the chromosome axis, now these loops, 2 loops are present. It consists of generally the matrix, it is made up of now the RNA and proteins and chromosomal fiber, it is made up of now DNA. So within lamb brush chromosome at the center there is chromosome axis, and on both sides of chromosome axis now 2 loops are present. So like that, now many such loops are present on this now chromosome axis in case of lamb brush now chromosome. Next, Balbiani's rings and puffs. During the development of the larvae of some Diptera, the structure of the polyethylene chromosome becomes modified in certain regions. This is due to the some bands enlarge so as to form swelling or now the puffs. Some regions show larger puffs than the others and are called as Balbiani's rings. The formation of puffs may occur at single bands. In these regions, the chromonymata extend out laterally in the form of now several loops. These loops make up the Balbiani ring. Now see within this diagram Balbiani's rings and now the puffs. Now the chromosome puff, which is generally present at the now center, then now the Dark and light bands are present alternately on these Balbiani's rings. Then see this puff portion, enlarged portion. It generally consists of chromonymata, interbands, giant chromosome, dark and light bands. Then the Balbiani is now ring. Now these particular things are present within these Balbiani rings on the pups. So Balbiani's rings and puffs. Now see here, these polytene chromosome showing the Balbiani's now ring. Now here at the center, interbands are there. They connected to one another. Then they generally shows now these Balbiani ring at the top. This is regarding the polytene chromosome showing the Balbiani is now ring. That's all. Thank you.